In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome not private on mobile. If you're seeing the message, your connection is not private on your phone, Chrome is warning you that something about the connection or the site's security certificate doesn't look right. Often, it's a simple fix on your end. Let's walk through a clear, safe process to get you back online. Start with basic troubleshooting. First, reload the page. Temporary hiccups with your connection or the website can trigger that warning, and a quick refresh often clears it. Next, check your connection. Make sure you're on a secure Wi-Fi network or have a stable mobile data signal. Public Wi-Fi, especially networks that require you to sign in on a landing page, is a common cause of this error. If you can, switch briefly to cellular data to see if the warning goes away, which can help confirm if the network is the issue. Now verify your phone's date and time. Open your device settings and ensure the date, time, and time zone are correct, or set them to update automatically. Incorrect time settings can make secure certificates look invalid. Then try incognito mode. In Chrome, tap the three dots and open a new incognito tab. Visit the same website there. If it works in incognito, that points to a problem with your stored cache or cookies, which we'll fix next. Clear your browsing data to remove outdated or corrupted files. In Chrome, tap the three-dot menu, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time so you're wiping everything that could be interfering. Make sure cookies and site data and cached images and files are selected. Then tap Clear Data. This may sign you out of some sites, but it often resolves certificate and privacy errors by forcing a clean, fresh connection. Return to the site and try loading it again. If you still see the warning, check one key Chrome setting. Go back to Settings, open Privacy and Security, then Security. Look for the option called Always Use Secure Connections. When this is on, Chrome tries to upgrade sites to HTTPS. Some older sites don't support that and may fail to load. Try turning this off temporarily to test. If the page loads after you toggle it, the issue is with the website itself. Browse cautiously and avoid entering any sensitive information. For everyday safety, it's best to keep that setting on once you're done testing.